Hey friends and family, I want to do something a little different today. Today I'm taking you to one of my favorite burger spots here in Lincoln Heights. It's the original Dino's on Main Street. Opened when? October 5th, 1968. And it was named after his father. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Mikey.
What?
Mikey.
Mikey.
Yeah, Mikey.
Thank you, Mikey. Cooked on open flame. The cheeseburger special is one of my favorite burgers I always get. And they have chicken, burrito, breakfast. They got everything. They got you covered. But they're known for their chicken, and believe me, everything on their menu, I promise you, is so delicious. So if you guys are ever in the Los Angeles area, Lincoln Heights, original Dino's on Main, October 13, 1968. Yeah? Give them a try. It's my favorite spot. It's so good.